It's week 40 of planning, and I got news for you. I received this really cute invitation in the mail from Laurel Denise to preview her 2026 planner launch products. I mean, it was awesome. I loved it. She is so much fun. They are so fun. And this was such a great little thing to get in the mail and a preview of what's to come. The planners are now on her website, so laureldenise.com, and you can preview all the different sizes, the different patterns and colors. They're all there for you to check out. And it was really fun to be live and see them walk through the different planners and show us the different colors and all the things. So this definitely gives you a little preview of the colors. Definitely these sort of gold colors, the gold on here, this kind of purple, and then this, I don't know, is this like a magenta? So pretty, right? Like that. And then look what's on the back. She had it printed. So this is one of the patterns that she's using for her new planners. Check it out. Go deep dive into her website. Check out the preview. They are available to purchase October 1st. We were able to, as affiliates, do an order of what we wanted so that we can open the boxes and get the word out about the different planners. They're not shipping them until October 1st, so we won't have them for a while. But I was able to place an order, and it's really hard because I want to try some different formats, but then I don't want to overcomplicate my life with more planners. If you have been with me since January, or even anywhere along the journey, you may know that I started in the Nancy. So this is formerly the standard horizontal. This is the Nancy now, and it is, hold on, let me open up some pages so you can see. So it looks like this. It's got the calendar on this side, and then it has horizontal pages like this that you can flip through. Now, I loved this planner until I didn't love this planner. I bought this planner with the summer launch in April of 2025, depending on when you're watching this video. And this is the Kristy, formerly called the Bookbound Vertical. Oh my goodness, I started using this because it's a June, is it July 1st? I can't remember now. Did I start using it for July? Yeah, no, it's June. So this was a June to July start. So it started in June, and you can see, if you've been following along, my journey has changed greatly in this planner. And once I moved to this one in June, I realized I'm a vertical gal. I am not a horizontal. I like top to bottom. It works with my brain. It works with Outlook, my calendars that I have in other places. And I like that time blocking. So I love this planner. This planner for 2026 is going to be in this gold color. And I kind of tormented myself with, do I get another one? A January start one, or do I wait for next summer for the July one? And I went back and forth, and I really tortured myself. And I was like, but I really want to see the new color. And even if I don't move from this one, I keep this as my everyday, use this for a whole year planner. I kind of wanted the other one because I just wanted to see the changes there may be in it. I don't know, I love shiny, bright things. And I was like, ooh, I need to get it. So spoiler alert, I did get the January Kristy in this yellow color. They did mention when we were on the call with them that there will be changes to this planner in the new run for next summer. So I think they call that like the academic launch or something, the teacher launch. You probably know more than me. I'm new to planner world, so I believe that's what it is. And so I did get that. The two other planners that I was really interested in were the Rose. Now I'm gonna put that right here. The Rose was formerly called the 4-column project. I really like that format. I love seeing the calendar with the columns that you could do like personal tasks and different projects that you're working on. So I was really fascinated by that one. The one thing that I didn't want was the big one. I found this to be very cumbersome. This is the Nancy. I thought this was really, really big compared to this one. This seems more user-friendly for me. It fits on my desk better, and I like this. I think this is 7 by 9, I think this shape is. So I was really questioning whether I should do the rose in the bigger side or the mini, or I guess the standard size and the mini. So I did purchase the rose in the mini, and they will be coming out with inserts for the rose later this year. And remember, these are 2026 planners, so we can't really start using them until January anyway, but I really wanted to try that out because I have so many projects, and I find that this is my personal everyday, and what I'm doing every day, things that are going on in my house, our trips, our travels, you know, my sort of time blocking my hours so I know what I'm doing. But I really think it would be helpful for me for this YouTube channel, for the new bookkeeping company that I'm doing, my other job that I'm doing, if I had those 4 columns to use for monthly tasks and to-dos, and maybe some of the inserts would be helpful. I was able to order that. Now, as an affiliate, I do get a affiliate link and a discount code for you, which I'll link down below. Please feel free to use it. Please use it. It's great. It really helps me with this channel, and I really, really appreciate if you use my affiliate code and link. So that was the second thing that I did purchase, and I bought a 3rd planner. I know, I'm crazy. I'm absolutely crazy. The other planner that I have been eyeing this whole year is the portrait planner, which is called the Scout. And I just am really like curious, would I use it? Is there enough space in it for me? Do I really want the thing? So I figured, you know what, I'll buy it so I can have it in my hands and I can play with it, I can showcase it. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it. I may do some testing in it. I may do like a fake month in it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I may give it away as a gift. I don't know. Same thing with the yellow new Kristy. I may give that away as a gift as well. I just wanted to hold it in my hands and see how I liked it. So I got the Rose Mini, and then I got the Scout Mini. Now, the reason being, same thing, is I didn't want the big size. I just think it's too big for me. I may be totally wrong, off base, and maybe I'm making a mistake, but I know I can give them to friends, family, whatever, as gifts, but I just want to hold them and see what they're like and see if it might be a better planner than this one for me. So I couldn't make a decision. And I just was like, push pay and send, and in my cart, and it's coming. So once those arrive, I will do an unboxing and show you all of those. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm really, really excited. Go to the website, check it out, use my link when they come online. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what patterns you like, what colors you like. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm getting. I mean, obviously I have to get the one color of this, but I'm not gonna tell you, you can kind of guess what I get maybe, but I'm really looking forward to them. There are new zipper pouches and pencil cases. There's no stickers. There's all kinds of really fun things. So definitely go to her website and check it out. But enough about the launch, because that's coming. Go spend some time doing that. Let's get into planning week 40 together, which is going to be the first week in October, which I'm really excited about because we have new stickers for October. And if you were here a few weeks ago, I already did the monthly overview, but we gotta get going and lay down week 40 so I can get things in my planner for next week. Here's a look back at week 39. It was a great week. I had my birthday, and I've had these stickers. I didn't know how to decorate for my birthday, so I just added a little sticker like this one with confetti, and it was really nice and fun, and we had a really nice dinner. But I have been really loving and using my planner for this whole month. And here's a look back at September. And
I used it definitely more than I have in past months. As you can see, if we look at August, I didn't use it as much. I was doing more like highlighters like this, and then I got more into it with stickers here. And now let's take a look at October. So again, more Planner Kate stickers. I have a few things in here. Haven't done everything, but I will start adding as the month goes along different things. But here we have like an empty month, and we need to start doing the layout in here. So that's a quick look at just setting up my Planner Kate stickers along the top. I have my, I don't know if you can see that, it says week 40 right there, so I remember what week I am. I can do like little to-dos, and then this is for my meal prep down here, my habit tracker. We have some storms coming, so I have, the weather, I think I just said that, or maybe I didn't, 63%, 53%, a lot of rain coming, and I like to do my exercise. I think I added an extra line there. Oh yeah, I usually do one, but that's fine. And then I have all this space in here. The launch for Laurel Denise is here, so I need to put a big, don't forget, Wednesday. And then down here, I'm going to do, my to-dos and things like that. I have a bunch of stickers from Laurel Denise for October, these little doodles. This is actually, sorry, this is from September, but I had to use the date little numbers as you saw up here for the 29th and 30th. So be sure to keep your stickers so you have those. And I could have maybe done Monday, Tuesday in this color and then done the green for October, but I figured, use the full month, because then later I could use this somewhere else for as an extra. And then I have, like I said, all these, this washi tape and these little thin ones that I use, along here, some more doodles, this is really fun. I want to put this on Halloween, so I need to use these. So I'll probably put this on here, and then more calendar things, more calendar items. So I really want to use these. I think I'm going to put them here. So maybe I'll fuss around and do that now that I've got that set up. And then I don't know if you saw November, but I already set up November here, and I still need to add more in here as well, as far as appointments and things like that, but I haven't done that. So that is a quick look at what I've got set up to go, and then I'll add everything that I need now after I get off so that I can kind of plan for the week ahead.
I am ready for next week, week 40. Oh my goodness, you can't see this, but it is just teeming down rain right now as I am talking to you. I can look out the window behind this camera. It's crazy. We were waiting for a huge storm to come through, and now it's hit, which is perfect because I can spend the afternoon adding things to my October monthly calendar in here. I have so many appointment little stickers and things that I'm going to go in and add those now. I think I want to add the washi tape along the bottom like this to this next week. I didn't do it with you, but I think I'm going to add maybe, I think these ones that are the witchy ones, I'll add when it's actually Halloween and then do some of the smaller ones in here. I have the stickers, I should use them, you know? Let's just pepper this with the monthly stickers. Oh my God, it's teeming. Oh my God, it's crazy out there. But it's the perfect thing that it's raining and I can spend time doing my planner. So I'm actually really excited about it. So don't forget, Wednesday, October 1st, you can order your planners for 2026. I've got the links below if you need them. Let me know in the comments, which patterns, which colors, what are you thinking about? Are you gonna stick with the current planner that you have? Are you gonna change it up and get something different? What do you think? Am I crazy getting 3 planners? One I probably won't even use, the one like this, because I really wanna do one full planner all the way through the year. I want to be able to commit to that, but I kind of love the idea of starting in January and ending in December. That's just like a complete year to me, but what a waste, right? So maybe I just get it, and like I was saying, maybe it's like a really nice Christmas present for, you know, someone I know, but it could be you. I'm just kidding. Or maybe I'll do a giveaway or something, right? Anything is possible. So let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for being with me for week 40. Let me know, what do you think I'm picking as far as colors and patterns? Maybe that's something you can let me know. I was tortured over all the different ones and what I wanted, so I went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, but I think I'm really gonna be happy with what I chose. So thank you so much. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts, what you're going to be doing. I would love to hear from you. And I will see you next week for week 41.